Samsung did not follow a consistent launch schedule for its previous generation Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra and Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, so it was uncertain when the company would unveil the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Now, the latest rumor claims that the Korean giant is facing development problems with its top-end slate, but there is a surprise for all those waiting for the Galaxy S25 series next year. The premium tablet is said to launch alongside Samsung's premier smartphone lineup in early 2025. Samsung could be mulling which chipset to use for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, but this problem is not specified in the rumor. It is unclear if the less expensive Galaxy Tab S10 and Galaxy Tab S10 Plus would launch next to the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, but an X account with the handle crow states that Samsung's largest and most expensive slate will launch with the Galaxy S25 series next year. It's important to note that the tweet only mentions the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra model. This could mean that the source was only able to get information about the Ultra model. However, it is currently unknown if Samsung will have a different release schedule for the Ultra model and the more affordable models. The last time the company introduced its flagship smartphone and tablet range was in 2022, when the Galaxy S22 and Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra family were officially announced. Samsung could be eyeing a similar launch strategy, but the rumor does not dive into the development problems faced with the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. With Qualcomm officially taking the wraps off its Snapdragon X Elite and Snapdragon X Plus, Samsung could face another conundrum as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected in October. Also, the Korean firm is said to adopt a dual chipset approach with its Galaxy S25 family, as specific models will feature the Exynos 2500. A previous rumor claimed that the Exynos 2500 is being developed in two versions, one with an octa-core CPU cluster and one with a 10-core one. The variant with the higher core count could be tailor-made for bigger devices such as tablets, and like the previous Galaxy Tab Ultra models, we expect the same humongous 14.6-inch display. With a footprint like this, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra features the size and the cooling capabilities to accommodate the Snapdragon X Elite, Snapdragon X Plus, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, and the Exynos 2500. Unfortunately, Samsung could be torn on which SoC to use in its upcoming tablet. By using the Exynos 2500, Samsung will potentially save on component costs and avoid paying the Qualcomm premium. However, this route will mean that the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra could leave a ton of performance on the table and lose to Apple's upcoming iPad Pro lineup, which is said to feature the M3. Then again, if Samsung uses any of Qualcomm's chipsets, not only does Samsung have to pay extra, but this decision will not be financially viable because the company hardly has a commanding presence in the global tablet market. Speaking of information, details about this tablet are pretty scarce. However, we should be receiving more leaks and rumors in the months leading up to Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event early next year. However, we expect to see the typical slew of software and processor upgrades. Hopefully we do get a few surprising goodies. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.